So this is how easy it is to make your own disinfectant wipes. You get a paper towel, you cut it into the size of your container, put it in, then you put 2 cups of water, warm water, in there, 3 drops of OnGuard, oh, 1 little extra, so 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and then the OnGuard foaming hand wash, 2 of that, tablespoons, and then you stir it up a little bit. You pour it into your paper towel roll. And then you let it sit for like 10 minutes, then you flip it upside down, and then let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then it's ready. And then you just pour it from the center, and you have your wipes. Simple, easy peasy.